Did you know that if you have a street photo and you sketch over it, you can create a brand new building using AI, render it from different angles, generate a video, and get various different images of it. Let's get started with Sketch to Render. First, find a street photo. Next, draw your building on top of it. I did this on my iPad, but you can use Photoshop or any other app. Export it as a PNG. Now, to render the photograph, go ahead to Rendair AI and click Start Creating. This will log you in and take you to the main page. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Go to Sketch to Render. This section will open on the left side. You'll see the upload area. I will upload the image I sketch on the street photo. There are many AI models here. I prefer Nano Banana Pro for this render. Now let's add our prompt. A small two-story modern building between two buildings on a street. The facade is a modular parametric structure crafted from detailed perforated metal panels with an orange finish. The intricate cells shimmer with warm interior lighting spilling through the patterned holes. Yellow parts are openings, a narrow glass door at street level, and a narrow glass window at the first floor. Realistic urban street scene, afternoon daylight, photographic style, high detail, 4K resolution. I will create 4 generations. Now let's generate. Here's our first image. It looks quite nice. We can compare it to the base image here. It visualized only the part we were drawing on, keeping the rest of the street as it is. I'm quite pleased with the result. Let's look at the other images below. It has changed the angle here. These images aren't bad either. Now I'll put hearts on my favorite images so I can easily find them later. Now let's copy our prompt and go to the chat. Let me show you another way to create images. Upload the same sketch image, then paste the prompt. Select Nano Banana Pro and enter. Here our first image. It is okay, but let's try again. The second one was different from what I expected. I'll continue with the ones I just added to my favorites. To see all the visuals we've created, go to Create and scroll down. There you can see all the generations. We download them from here. Now let's generate new angles with our base image. Go to Chat, upload the image, then prompt. See this building from a different angle. This time, I'm going to choose Nano Banana V2. It seems quite consistent. Now let's use this image to create another one. This time, I want an image from a higher view. So I'll write a prompt. See it from above. Bird's eye view. The roof should be empty and flat. 4K resolution. It is okay. But I want to try again. I like this image. It might be a good idea to use this image in the video. I am downloading the images that I like. Let's create a night image and add people on it. I'm uploading our base image again and writing night scene. It instantly transforms the image into night and adds lovely yellow lights. I also like that the interior is slightly visible from the facade. Now, to add people, I'm choosing the last image and writing Add People. It's too crowded now. Try being more specific. Add 2 people walking on the road, or add a person riding bicycle. Now, I'm going to show you generating video with those images. Go to Video, upload the first image. I want a video that flows from top to bottom, so I'm choosing the image showing the building's roof from directly above as the first image. For the second image, I'm choosing a slightly more side view of the building. I'm directly selecting this cinematic drone setting from the motion preset. Let's generate. Here's our video. It's a very smooth and consistent video. To create a seamless video, swap the second image with the first Add your final desired image as the second one. I'm continuing with the cinematic drone selection. This version looks good as well. I'm downloading these two videos. When you merge these two clips in your preferred video editing software, you'll get a seamless drone video with perfect continuity. You should definitely give it a try. Now take a street photo, sketch over it, and create a new building with different angles and night views with people. Try out the tactics I shared in this video and share your results with us. Also, if you have any questions, let's meet in the comments.